Okay, page 68, number 7. You purchased a zero coupon bond 1 year ago for $162.87. The market rate is 9% if the bond had 20 years to maturity when you originally purchased it. What was the return for the past year? Remember, your return on investment would be any income or dividends you got plus any capital gain or loss that you have. So whatever interest you got, if you got interest or if you got a coupon payment during that period, that would be part of it. And then whatever gain, the price went up or down. If it went down, then you have to subtract that. Now there's a tricky part to this that will make you calculate this wrong. It's important to remember they talked about this back in your book, in your workbook. Zero coupon bonds calculate, even though they don't make a coupon payment, the interest is still calculated, but it's calculated based on semi-annual payments. So that means you double the years and you cut the coupon rate in half when you're plugging it into your calculator. If you don't do that right, you're going to get this thing completely wrong, and a lot of people miss that. Okay, so let's go ahead and figure this out now. And I just put up here at the top, remember, even though coupon bonds don't make coupon payments during the life of the bond, the interest is figured as though it was compounded semi-annually. So in this case, remember, the bond was 20 years old when you purchased it a year ago, so now it's 19 years old, right? So the period of time would be N would equal 19 times 2 is 38. And since you're figuring it semi-annual compounding, that means that 9% market rate, which is the IY, remember the coupon, there is no coupon rate because it's a zero coupon. So this would be the IY, and that is 9% divided by 2, which is 4.5. So what you need to do is, you know what you paid for it a year ago, so you just got to figure out what the present value is now, so that's the price of it now. So and then you subtract the 2, and remember, you always, whatever the difference is, the delta, 187.5, which is what we'll calculate that out to be, minus 162.87 over the original price. That's what you're always figuring out the return. Okay? So you plug this into the computer, N equals 38, IY is 4.5. Remember, the 9% is the IY. Since there is no coupon payment, it would be 0 for the payment. You know the future value is going to be 1,000. So you can calculate the current price just from the information they gave you. Compute the present value. The present value of that, the price, the market price is $187.75. So they want you to figure out what was the return for the past year. So the current price you can sell it for minus the original price you bought it for divided by the original price is 15.28%. But it's real important to remember, coupon bonds, their interest rate is compounded semi-annually. All right, that's problem number 7, page 68.